Yeah, what time?
Maybe 10:30 tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. See you then. Bye.
Alright, bye.
24 hours later. Hey, so what's with the backwards hat? Yeah, I just wanted to try something out. Bro, what is it this time? We should do a rap. Okay, what are we rapping about? I don't know, man. We can do it about literally anything. Yeah, I actually kind of like the idea. Why don't we start writing it? No, don't do that. Just freestyle. Freestyle? I don't know how to... That's okay. I'll start. Just pull up a trap beat online, yeah. Alright, let's do this. 1 Google search later. Okay. Yo. Skitty. Squaw! Okay, wait. Just stop for a sec. What is that? What is what? Yeah, you're not saying anything. These are just sounds. Yeah, but they're rapper sounds. Yeah, it's okay. That's just restart. Alright, let's see. Another one. Bro, you can't do that. Bro, what?
Another one.
Do you see it now? Yeah, I hear it now. Can I try? Bro, go ahead. Just skip the intro. It's like 15 seconds. Alright, just skip the intro. I should be practicing slow, keep ending up with some cramps. Yeah, I stand up in pain and defeat. Better luck next time, son. Oh, I wanna say no. You gotta go slow. Brain gotta say no. That's not how you roll. Fingers be failing me every time. No pain, no gain, no change, no growth. Anger be getting me every time. Flaming, blaming, raging. Oh, I finally tell my brain, get the tick, tick, tick real slow. Cruising along, playing a song. Finally got it. Wasn't really that hard, I'll admit. How did it? Bro, that was some fire, mate. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Hey, can I try? Now that I've gotten some great inspiration from you, I can try with words this time. Oh, here we go again.